Just switched from Huawei to iPhone? Moving videos without losing quality can be tricky. Format issues, playback problems, and slow transfers can frustrate you. In this video, we'll show 4 reliable ways to transfer your Huawei videos to iPhone smoothly. Way 1. Transfer Huawei videos to iPhone with Phone Transfer. Phone Transfer is a powerful phone transfer tool designed to help users move data between Android and iOS devices with ease. How to transfer videos from Huawei to iPhone with Phone Transfer. Step 1. Download and install Phone Transfer on a Windows or Mac computer. Then launch the program. Use USB cables to connect both your Huawei phone and iPhone to the computer. The software will automatically detect both devices. Step 2. From the device list, select your Huawei phone so that its data appears in the interface. Click the Videos tab on the left panel to view all video files stored on your Huawei device. Step 3. Choose the videos you want to transfer. You can preview them before selecting to ensure accuracy. Click the Export to Device button and select your iPhone as the target device. The transfer will start immediately. Way 2. Transfer videos from Huawei to iPhone using Move to iOS. Set up your iPhone and select Move Data from Android on the Apps and Data screen. On Huawei, install and open Move to iOS. Then enter the code shown on iPhone. Select Videos, tap Next, and keep both devices close and charged. After transfer, finish setup. Your videos will appear in Photos. Way 3. Transfer Huawei videos to iPhone using Google Drive. On Huawei, upload videos to Google Drive. On iPhone, open Drive, find the videos, and tap Download. They'll save to Photos for easy access. Way 4. Transfer videos from Huawei to iPhone via email. On Huawei, email videos to yourself within size limits and send. On iPhone, open the email and download the videos, save them to Photos.